wizard.
Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're going to have a great day today. Hope you're going to have a fantastic day today. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. Make sure you hit the noti bell so you get all the notifications. Right now, Bitcoin, let's get right into it because we're on the 10-minute and we can see her. She's dumping. She's going down. I was on the 15-minute before I went live here, checking out a couple of key levels. Obviously, we've lost our daily, but right now we're at a support resistance flip. You see, we lost it as support here. We never gained it as support. We did get above it, but we never gained this area as support. When we did claim it as support, like we see here, we saw good moves to the upside. Right now, 15-minute money flow has come in. That VWAP's under. Looks like we got some room to run. Let's check out that 10-minute momentum actually. She did get deeper. I thought she was going to start clipping around here, but as you can see, she did get a little deeper. Right now we are in a bearish daily leapfrog from our daily VWAP, daily VWAP back down to our previous day VWAP here. Go back to this 15-minute, but we are at that key level of support and resistance here on the 15-minute. Since let's just do it from here. This is really where I was looking. Friday, I think. Yeah, since Friday, the area we're at now at 116.4, 116.5 has held pretty well as support. Money flow has come out on this 15. That's not a good look. We're more than likely definitely going to come down and complete, more than likely, definitely. Probably come down and hit 116.2. 116.2. I need a higher time frame money flow. Oh, there it is. The 30-minute money flow just come out. We're not going to hold 116K if we're not going to hold the previous day. I would look for the weekly. It's lining up with this rising 5-day moving average here at 115.8. We'll just call it 115.8. Pretty deep VWAP underneath this zero line on the 1 hour. Money flow is pointing downwards. Strong hike in the C candle still. Well, we got 17 minutes. That means 2 minutes on the 15. Money flow is draining here. We can see the curve to the downside on the 5-minute, which means we're probably about to come down and tap this previous day. Now we are starting to build momentum to the upside. Probably got more to build, to be honest. These are pretty deep waves underneath that 60 line there, so probably got more momentum to build. But I was looking at the daily. If we look at the daily, the VWAP has a nice curve to the upside here, and that money flow is also wanting to come in. So that's a good look for this pump, this move to the upside to continue. Even, there's always a healthy correction down. Pretty sure the 1 hour has a pretty decent curve on the VWAP as well. But more than likely, I'm pretty sure 3 hours already printing a red dot, getting ready to confirm. This is going to lead into the 4 hour. And if this candle opens, it'll be a pretty big candle to the downside. Zoom in on that money flow because it's a good curve up, but looks like she might be starting to flatline a bit, and we could see her start to edge to the downside. Got 42 seconds on the 5-minute. Let's see what she does. See if she's gonna bounce off the zero line. We can see her bounce. We've seen her bounce before. Like right here, like right there. And we're getting a green dot on the weekly here. Like I said, that's a good sign, especially with this daily curve to the upside here. VWAP's continuing up. Let's go to this 5 minute. Yeah, let's see, we did see her bounce. We did see her bounce. We could be trying to bottom out. My guess is though, until this money flow starts to curve to the upside, this daily VWAP might act as resistance here, but looks like we are trying to, and this would be a higher low if we do continue up, but man, we're gonna have to break some levels to continue higher here. $116.8 is going to be the next strong zone of resistance. And if we do get above this daily VWAP, then I would look for the golden pockets here, probably the 6.5, 118. I mean, we'll come right up to this 618 and we could see a harsh rejection back down. But I just figure when Bitcoin's pumping, she's pumping, and she'll probably hit this 6.5 if she's pumping good. How much longer till markets? What time is it? 5:46. 2.5 hours. Yeah, we could see some room to the downside before markets open, or even when markets open. But honestly, that 10-minute money flow is coming to the upside. 15-minute money flow just came out though. It's probably going to be a little volatile, as it always is on market open. We need to see that VWAP curve up. But these are the levels I'm watching. I do plan on going live, tomorrow night, which is Wednesday. My days get mixed together. I work all night, and then it's the next day when I get off. But I'm still on the previous day. So Wednesday, yeah, tomorrow is my day off. Thursday, and then my next day's off for Tuesday and Wednesday. But I'd like to go live tomorrow and see if I can find a couple of trades on my Bit Unix. I plan on getting a breakout account today, and then putting a little bit of money into my Bit Unix and doing some live trading, seeing if there isn't anything we can get into on the VWAP reset whenever that VWAP resets around 7. But that will do it for me. These are the levels I'm watching. To the upside, we need to get back above 116.8, this daily VWAP, to continue perhaps to 118.5. And if we're not going to hold the levels we're at now, I would expect to come down to at least the previous day, but more than likely our weekly. And if we're not going to hold that weekly, we do have the quarter 3 VWAP. What, 115? We'll call it 115K. If we're not going to hold this weekly in this 5-day moving average. But these are the levels I'm watching. I hope everyone has a great day. God bless you all. I'm out.